In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to filter a Wix repeater using a dataset and filter repeater based on dataset settings. It's a splendid method to categorize or control the content in your repeater, making your website more user-friendly and dramatic. In the first part of the process, let's focus on setting up your CMS collection and repeater. Start by designing a CMS collection and then populate it with data that you would like to display and filter in your repeater. This can be anything related to your website content, from blog posts to product listings. Once your collection is set up, it's time to add and customize your repeater. Simply drag a repeater element onto your page, then use the customization tools to design its layout to match your style. Next, make the magical connection between repeater items to your collection. This allows the individual elements within your repeater, such as text or images, to display relevant information from your CMS collection. Moving on to the second part, we will add our dataset and configure it for optimum performance. Begin by dragging a dataset element onto your page. This dataset will be geared towards controlling the content displayed in your repeater. You will need to connect your dataset to your CMS collection to draw content from it. With your dataset now on your page and connected to your collection, it's time to bind your repeater to this dataset. By selecting your repeater and connecting it to the dataset you just installed, the two will work in perfect harmony to display your selected content. Shifting gears to the third and final part, we'll apply the true power of datasets as we enter filtered information into the dataset settings. To get started with the process, you need to have access to the dataset settings. You can do this by selecting your dataset and clicking on the settings icon. Once there, we can start to add a filter. This can be done simply by clicking plus Add Filter, which gives you the power to define a filtering rule. Once you've decided to add a filter, you'll need to choose the field and condition. This would be the collection field you want to filter by, like category, price, etc., and then selecting the condition that's applicable, such as is, starts with, or greater than. Now, specify the value that the filter should match, like men, electronics, 100, etc. Now, you could choose to stop here, but if you want to create more specific filtering criteria, you have the option to go on and add multiple filters to your dataset. This is indeed an optional step, but it gives you even more control and customization regarding how your repeater displays your CMS collection content. With these carefully laid out steps, you'll have a masterfully filtered Wix repeater that will certainly enhance your visitors' browsing experience. All the luck on your Wix quest, and remember, the power is in your hands to turn your vision into a digital reality on your website.